back to my channel. Today we are doing some fall decor shopping and we are going to 3 different locations. So we are heading to Homegoods Tjmaxx and Joann's, and what makes this video even more fun is the fact that it is a fun collaboration with my good friend Kailyn Cash. We did go on a girl shopping trip. We try to do that at least a couple times a year, and we just recently went for fall decor. So I do have my video here sharing my favorite picks for the day, and then she has hers as well. I will be sure to link her channel and her video down below. That way you guys can check her out. And if you are from Kailyn's channel, hello, my name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home. And here on my channel, I share all things intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. And I hit really hard on the affordable decorating and the thrifting. Thrifting is one of my all-time favorite things to do. I love incorporating thrifted pieces, antique pieces. I love just a really timeless look in a home. And you will find out if you stick around and watch a lot of my videos that I have just a ton of that here in this space. Almost everything you see behind me has been thrifted, so lots of that. But anyways, yes, if you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing. I would love to have you. I have tons more fall content that I have already filmed, and I will have my fall 2024 playlist linked down below if you are in the mood for fall decor and just getting some inspiration. I have filmed quite a bit of fall videos already, and then of course there is plenty more to come. Hopefully you consider subscribing and sticking around because I would love to have you. But like I said, for today's video, Kailyn and I are going to Homegoods, Tjmaxx, and Joann, showing you our favorite picks, and then we will be coming back here and I have a very mini haul and just kind of showing you guys how I'm planning to use this specific piece for fall. But for now, let's head to shopping and then we'll come right back here. Okay, so as far as the shopping went for HomeGoods and TJ Maxx and Joann's, I will say, honestly, I was impressed with Joann's like flowers and like their greenery and things like that for fall. That is a place that I just never think to go into, honestly. I know Kailyn shops there often for florals. My mom goes there quite a bit as well, and it's just never on my radar. But the day that we went, they did have a great selection of greenery there for fall. I didn't end up picking up anything because I'm only on the hunt for one specific item, and it's going to be replacing these flowers here. So that is my plan, but Joann's did not have those. What I'm looking for is actually at Michael's. I just need to make my way there and grab them. But as far as TJ Maxx and HomeGoods goes, of course they always have a great selection of pumpkins and blankets and pillows and great candles, all the things like that. But for me specifically this year, I was looking for two things. One of the things was a rust throw blanket that I can throw on my couch here in the living room. Unfortunately, I have not found that yet, so be on the lookout. Maybe I will grab one of those and I will share it in an upcoming video. But for today's video, I did check one thing off of my list, and that is a fall inspired plate. So if you are new to my channel, then I wanted to mention I do have a plate wall in my kitchen. I have like a little breakfast nook, and I created that like back in the springtime. I'll show you guys here in just a second, but I have been wanting to switch out the plates for fall, and I've been on the hunt for plates that kind of look like this. They're kind of like vintage inspired. They have a lot of like the rust and browns and just those really pretty fall colors, and I ended up finding this one at HomeGoods. It's so cute. It was $6.99, and I'm wanting to place this on my plate wall. So this is the only thing that I actually have for today's haul, but I wanted to take you guys into the kitchen and show you what that area looks like now and kind of talk my plans on what I'm wanting to do with it. But when I saw this plate, I knew I had to have it. I'm still on the hunt for at least two more, something very similar. I do want all of the patterns to be a little different, but you get the vibe and you get the gist of what I'm going for. But for now, let's head into the kitchen, and I'm going to show you what that breakfast nook looks like now and kind of talk to you guys what I'm wanting to do in that space. Okay, so we are here in my kitchen. Disregard, we are currently in the middle of doing a pantry remodel, and we just need to hang up the doors basically. So that'll also be an upcoming video. But this little breakfast nook here, I created back in the spring, again with lots of thrifted pieces. This table is thrifted, the chairs are thrifted, this vase came from an antique store, plates are thrifted, most of these are thrifted, the sconces, like you get the gist. But for my plate wall, I wanted to take this plate that I got from HomeGoods and replace it with probably this one and just change out the colors for fall. So I do have two more that I'm wanting to purchase and change out for fall, and then create like a little fall tablescape here. This is clearly a smaller table. It only has the two chairs, but that's what I'm wanting to do. So I'm going to show you just kind of how I'm wanting to change this out for fall, to give you some more ideas on if you have like a little nook or something. But as far as the plate from HomeGoods goes, I'm wanting to change this out on the wall, what I have, and take my HomeGoods plate and hang it up there. But I'm also on the hunt, like I said, for two more, and I don't know if you guys can see or not, but I have like the two smaller ones there. I'll give you guys a close-up here in just a second, but those are like a mauve color, and I'm wanting to change them out for these brown little I guess like kind of rust colored saucers. So you get the gist with that. That's what I'm wanting to do, but let's get a closer look and then we can decorate the table just so I can show you what I'm wanting to do. Okay, so closer look. These are the little plates I'm talking about right here. They just have like some mauve flowers on them. So those two I'm going to change out for the little rust plates I just showed you. And then basically these two, or those three right here, are the ones I'm needing to change out for like more fall colors. I will probably end up keeping these green ones just because I feel like green is still a fall color and just still one of those like earthy neutral colors. But anyways, I'm wanting to change those out, and then of course wanting to add some fall colors and whatnot here. And then I'm going to be keeping these wall sconces. I love these. I actually don't think I've shared these on my channel at all so far, but I found these at the Goodwill for $7 a piece. I love them. I think they are so neat, and when it's nighttime in here and these candles are on, it is just beautiful. Okay, so you guys are basically going to be getting a little bit of a sneak peek for what I'm wanting to do for fall. we're gonna go ahead and remove these items that I'm for sure not going to use. And then we will replace them with what I am planning on using. So I just have this fabric here. I got this cut from Hobby Lobby actually. That's another fall video I have out already, a Hobby Lobby shop with me. So if you're in the mood for that and getting like some Hobby Lobby like vintage inspired pieces, be sure to check that out. I'll have that link down below. But it is just this buffalo plaid pattern. It's brown and like an ivory, and I love it. And so what I did was have them cut 2 half yards, and I'm just wanting to use it as table runners or like a table scarf or something. But what I'm wanting to do on this little table here is use it as a table runner, just because this is a smaller table obviously, and I think it's just really cute. So just going to kind of give that a gathered look so it's more relaxed. And then I have this black base here that has these little like mustard yellow florals. This also came from Hobby Lobby. The stems I bought a couple years ago in the fall decor line, and then this base here I got on clearance quite a while ago. So just wanted to bring out those fall colors. And then I have more of those little brown saucers I just showed you. These actually came from the Hearth and Hand line at Target several years ago. These are actually my mom's. Her and I like to change out decor just to like get new things in our home. And if we're not using something of each other's, we'll just swap them out. But anyway, I'm going to layer those here. And then I have a thrifted chamber stick candle holder. And just wanting to do that, of course, I'll probably add in like some pumpkins or something closer to fall. But that's the main idea for the tabletop. And then again, as far as the plates go, just picture these up here with like the little rust ones. I think it will be so cute. So that's the idea. I'm so excited. I think it'll look so good. But anyways, let me give you guys a closer up look of that. That way you can get a better idea and see all the colors. Alright you guys, that is everything that I have for today's video. Be sure to check out Kailyn's video as well. I will have her video and her channel linked down below. And again, if you are from Kailyn's channel, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe if you are new, because I would love to have you, and definitely hit that bell notification. That way you're notified every time I post. I try to post a video every Monday and Thursday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So thank you guys again, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.